Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, and suddenly, gravity is gone. For just 5 seconds, the force that keeps your feet on the ground, the oceans in place, and even the air around you, vanishes. What would happen in those terrifying moments? Today, we'll find out. Gravity. It's invisible, yet it controls everything we do. It keeps Earth's atmosphere from floating away, it anchors oceans to the planet, and it prevents you from drifting off into space. But what if, for just 5 seconds, gravity completely disappeared? Let's break it down. At first, it would almost feel like cars would drift off highways. Rivers and lakes would rise into the sky like enormous waterfalls in reverse. Entire cities would begin to unglue from the earth as skyscrapers groaned and lifted. Oceans, billions of tons of water, would start escaping upward, dragging with them fish, ships, and anything unlucky enough to be caught inside. But it's not just Earth that would suffer. Satellites in orbit, astronauts aboard space stations, and the thousands of pieces of space debris circling the planet would lose their delicate balance. Collisions would happen instantly, creating clouds of shrapnel spinning out of control. For those 5 seconds, Earth would become a cosmic disaster zone. And then, just as suddenly, gravity would snap back into place. Everything that had risen would come crashing down. Cars slamming into the ground, skyscrapers collapsing, and those suspended oceans smashing back into the earth with apocalyptic tsunamis. In just seconds, life on Earth would change forever. Luckily, this is only a thought experiment. Gravity isn't going anywhere. But imagining a world without it reminds us just how fragile our planet really is, and how much we rely on the invisible forces around us. So, here's the real question. What if gravity disappeared not for 5 seconds, but forever? If you want to explore more mind-bending scenarios like this, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us here on Beyond Curiosity, where we explore the impossible, the futuristic, and the unexplored. Because the future begins with one question: what if?